this is our room review of Suite 9212 on Norwegian Spirit. Stay till the end to see a couple things that were odd and that we didn't quite like. Wouldn't work out for anyone. 𝐂𝐓𝐇 balcony suite. Here's all our amenities, phone, our itinerary, coffee. Here's a little mini fridge down here. If I can open it, we got some water and some other champagne stuff. I had requested just a jug of water. Just some storage, coffee. Here is your light switches, closet, some water, champagne bucket, ready to go, big TV, couch that turns into a bed, place to chill, phone. There's our dining table if we want to eat in. And then you go through this room, which there's a nice little sliding door, pocket door. Go into the room. This is the big bedroom. Let's see. We got a TV. It's playing like crazy. Let's see, over here we got a plug and some light switches. And on this side we have the same thing. In here, closet, you have your safe, some drawers, plenty of hanging space, so the closet does go all the way back to this side. We got some nice slippers down there. And here's your climate control. There's climate controls in both rooms. And this whole wall basically is storage. That's a weird storage. Drawers. Here's a bigger one. And now the bathroom, which there's a pocket door for the bathroom. Also, that's nice. And there's a nice sitting area here to get ready. And here's the dual sink. Bunch of storage down below. And storage in the middle. And a big tub. So you can chill with the window open, or you can close the blinds. Got a couple nice robes here. Go with those slippers. And then we have the potty, the toilet. Marble all around, looks nice, so that's separate. Then you have the shower, which is a big rain shower, hand shower. And then you have this nice big window while you're showering to look out the back. What a view that is. And it does have a shade that you can close. And Actually, this one does not have a shade you can close. So we showed you the shower, how awesome it is, but I wanted to show you the rain shower head. It is big and it gives a nice flow of water. So really like the shower. All right. All right, now we're gonna make our way out to the best portion. If I can figure out how to open it. This is our aft balcony. And the best part of the room, I would say. So, balcony that way. Balcony that way. And this is our view from the back of the boat. Which right now we're in Sydney. And we have the bridge as a great view. And then you scan over here. And we have the Opera House. What an awesome view.
Okay, so here we have what looks like a pretty decent sized closet, and normally in these Haven suites they are like, the closet space is amazing. However, let's take a look at this closet. Upon first glance, looks pretty good. Got some good hanging space in here, got the automatic light that pops on, got some shelf space up here, got two good cabinets. Now, cameraman, take a look at how the door is angled. You see the handle back there. And then I have two drawers that I cannot even get into. Come on, NCL, you can do better than that. Okay, so here in the master bedroom, again, what appears to be great closet space. We've got 5 good-sized drawers right here and these 2 long side cabinets on either side. This one opens up. No hooks up here, so I would think that that would be something that you would want to add. But then this cabinet, there's nothing. You can't do anything with this cabinet. NCL, what were you doing? You just redid this ship. You can do better.
Don't forget to check out more videos. Thanks for watching.